Welcome back. This is the third video in making this miniature frame. So last we spoke that we will have to cut small bricks of pieces of paper the way that you want to emboss them. I have cut all of them. Now what happens is when the paper is cut, you can see this white line, and this doesn't look good when you keep it like this. The white line shows. So what we usually do is we color it on the sides. So this looks better than this, and it gives a more clean and a finished look. If you can see this white line that I'm talking about, you need to color this. Now I love to use these Distress ink by Tim Holtz, and they are very versatile. One thing is there that you buy it once and the ink doesn't dry for a very long time. I have been having these colors for more than like 4-5 years, and I have never faced any issue of it drying or any other thing. So it might be a good idea to invest in them. What the color that I use is the Distress ink Vintage Photo, and I also have this brush to spread the ink. This again is available from any craft stores and you can use them. This is a good investment if you don't want your hands to get dirty. So what you do is, if you can see, this is how you will color the sides. So for all the cuttings that you have done, make sure that you color the sides, all 4 ends, and then we can start embossing. So the next video that you will see that how we are going to emboss it on this frame, the first step towards making this picture a 3D one.